FX Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And guys, in this video I wanted to do something a little bit different, and I wanted to talk about essentially some of the things that you can actually get into right now to really invest your money in and be able to come out with some pretty good profit. All right, and what I'm talking about is I'm talking about the stock market, and I'm actually talking about particular stocks that because of the pandemic that's going on right now around the world, that you can actually take advantage of. All right. And so let's take a look at some of the stocks that I've been looking at over the past week or so. And so these are stocks that are going to be readily available for you to buy if you wanted to. And so they're super down right now, obviously, because of the pandemic that's going on. So, you know, industries like the airline industry, like the cruise line industry, those industries are completely shut down. And so because of that, we'll take a look at some of the airlines here, like this one here. This one's at, $29.33. They're down from their average about $58 or so on this particular stock. And so this particular stock is actually Southwest Airlines, and so they've dropped from $57 all the way down to $29, guys. All right. Now, real quick, if we just do some quick math on this, and let's just say that we wanted to essentially buy some of this stock, and we'll put it very simple in very simple numbers. Basically, let's say you have $1,000 that you can put into, let's say, this particular stock. And let's just say the goal here would be to just get us back to where the stock was normally at, right? Which is about $56, $55 or so, right? So if we just take that $29.33 and we invest $1,000 into it, okay? Basically, we'd be looking at if these prices can go back to normal. Okay, you'd be looking at basically about a net profit of about $894. That's a return on investment of 89.05%, guys. All right. Now, if you take a look at some of these other ones here, they're even cheaper to buy. This is Spirit Airlines. And so Spirit Airlines right now, if you were to do the same thing, take $1,000, all right, and buy some Spirit Airlines and just get it up to $40, just $40. Okay, you're looking at a net profit of $2,270. That's a return on investment of 225%. Think about that. $1,000 to invest in Spirit Airlines, for it to just go back up, let's say, to its normal trading market, which was around $42 or so, $40. Think about that. It's pretty neat. All right, this one here, American Airlines. American Airlines is one of the cheapest right now. It's $10.31. Now, if you take that $1,000, same thing, and we just get it up to $28, $29, where it was trading at before it took a fall. This was back in February, of course. So if we get back up to just normal numbers, I mean, we're looking at $1,000 invested will get you a net profit about $1,800. That's about 188% return on investment, guys. So if you guys are in the market to take advantage of what's going on right now around the world with this pandemic, and take some of your money, if you do have the ability to, and invest it into some of these companies that are really struggling right now, and they're going to get bailed out, obviously, by the government. They've already said, you know, President Trump has already spoken about a bailout bill for the airlines, for the cruise lines. So they're going to get bailed out anyway. So they're going to get help from the federal government. Okay, so why not take advantage of this opportunity? Because I don't know when you're going to have an opportunity like this to take advantage and be able to invest in something that will get you some unbelievable return on investment. Okay, and so these are just very simple examples of just, you know, simple numbers of just taking $1,000 and investing it into some of these companies. Take Delta, for example, is another one. All the airlines are down, obviously. Delta's at 22.41 right now. And so if you take Delta, get it back up to, you know, around $60 where it was normally trading at before all the pandemic stuff happened, you know, you're looking at a net profit of about $1,600. That's a return of about 165%. Like, I don't know about you, but I'm definitely in the market to look at some of these different either Caribbean cruise lines, you know, Southwest Airlines, some of these cruise lines, guys, Norwegian cruise lines. That's another one. So if you take a look at Norwegian, take $1,000, get it up to back up to around $55, you know, $56. It's right now at $10.86. I mean, if you take $1,000, guys, and you invest it into Norwegian Airlines or Norwegian cruise lines, and it gets back up to its normal trading range, we're not talking about it going up any higher. We're literally talking about all these stocks going back up to their normal trading range. Okay, if you take $1,000 and invest it into Norwegian cruise lines, you'd be looking at a net profit of about $4,000. That's 400% return on investment. So I don't know about you, but this seems like very simple math, and you know, something that you should take advantage of. All right, you should take advantage of this opportunity, because you don't know when this opportunity is going to come again. All right, so just a quick video, guys, to share with you some of my thoughts on some of these companies that are doing really bad right now because of the coronavirus pandemic. All right, I hope that all of you are safe, obviously, and take care of your families. And I hope that this video has brought you some value and just open your minds a little bit into, instead of spending that stimulus check that you got, if you're in the US, if you got a stimulus check from the government, instead of spending it out there and buying something that's not essential. By the way, if you need to buy essential stuff, go ahead and do so. I'm not saying to not buy anything essential. I'm saying if you have any kind of extra money, okay, around your house or that you can invest in, all right, this would be a good time to start to think about an investment that you can do for not only for yourself, but for your entire family. All right, guys, thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of your day.